Hello everyone, dear students. In this video, we will do very important activity. Hello students. Today we will understand how to draw root 9.3 centimeter line. This is part of NCERT exercise 1.5 and it is one of the activity which we will do in class 9th. Now first of all we will draw a line 9.3 plus 1 centimeter. It means 10.3 centimeter line we will draw. It means 10.3 centimeter line. Now what we will do, we will find the bisector of this line. Just more than this, we'll make arc. This way we can do it. These arcs should cut each other. Do this work carefully. Now wherever these arcs are intersecting, we will join those points to get the middle point of this straight line 10.3. From that point you just mark these points, like you can say this O, this is A, this is B. Taking O as center and OA or OB as radius, make a semicircle and take 1 centimeter from B on this line, mark it like this and draw a perpendicular at this point. This perpendicular will cut this semicircle at point, you can say at C point, and this point you can say D. This DC is actually root 9.3. Now what you will do, just increase this line a little which we made earlier. So just make this arc cut this line. This point you can say x. So dx is also 9.3. So this way you can draw line 9.3. This is the required length. In this question you have to write the steps, and steps you can write whatever you are doing, just keep writing on steps as you do in construction work. The same you have to do here. Just write steps by pointing step 1, like you drawn 9.3 plus 1 10 centimeter line. Step 2, step 3, step 2 you can write you found the bisector of this line AB. Then third, from O point, taking O center, OA radius, you made a semicircle. Fourth, at point D, you taking BD 1 centimeter, you take a perpendicular at point D, and that DC perpendicular will cut the semicircle at point C. Then finally fifth, you can say DC 9.3 centimeter, and last point I made DX same length DC on line AX, and DX is also 9.3 centimeter. This is the final step. You can write it like this. Now as you have seen, I made this line. Now I will tell you why this is root 9.3 we are getting, how we are getting this. Now in general, just find root x for any positive real number x. I'm just taking for any real number. So what will happen, what we have done in previous video, just draw a line of any length. I'm not measuring that, what is this length, and at that point just increase 1 centimeter. Now at that point find midpoint of this. To find the midpoint of this line, so we have found the midpoint. Now after this we will say this point O, A and B. Now taking OA as center, now at point, say this point as C or D, whatever you want to say. Draw a perpendicular at this point C, and it will cut the line at D point. From this D point you have to take an arc once again. Just take a length, increase this length, and at this point from this arc you will find this CX is actually, this is root x, and this is the CX is also root x. Now why? We'll prove it now. This AC is of length x, AC is of length x. Now AB is of length x plus 1. So OB will be x plus 1 upon 2, because by using this method we find the midpoint of AB. Now we have got AB, OB, we have got OB, and OB and OD will be same. So this is x plus 1 upon 2. Now this OC, we have to find the length of OC. How we can find this OC? OB is, this is OD also. Now OC we can find, AC is x and OA is also x plus 1 upon 2. So OC will be x minus x plus 1 upon 2. It means x minus 1 upon 2. By using Pythagoras, this is x minus 1 upon 2, and this is perpendicular. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle OCD. DC square is equal to OC square, first OD square minus OC square. First we'll take a hypotenuse. This is x plus 1 upon 2 whole square minus x minus 1 upon 2 whole square. So after solving this we'll get x square plus 1 plus 2x divided by 4 and x square plus 1 minus 2x divided by 4. If you subtract it, you'll be getting 4x upon 4. It means x only. So DC will be, DC square will be x. It means DC is root x. That's why we are getting root 9.3. By using this method, you can find length, any length you can draw on number line, or you can draw any decimal root also. it will be very easy for you. Thank you.